NAD plus plays a central role in hundreds of metabolic reactions in the body.
In our body.
It is essential for cellular energy production, DNA repair, and many processes that maintain cells
Healthy.
healthy. Now, because of all the supplements on the market, we need to know something very important. A molecule called NMN, Nicotinamide Mononucleotide, becomes interesting. NMN, not NAD+. I am not telling you this about the supplement NAD+, which are on the market, only about NMN.
Why?
Because NMN is a precursor of NAD+, meaning the body can use it as a building block to produce more NAD+. So you don't need to supplement NAD+ as a whole supplement, which is very expensive, because you can boost your NAD production within the body through NMN, which is cheap, and it is the precursor of the NAD+ naturally prepared in your body, naturally produced in
your body.
In laboratory studies, the increasing NAD+ levels has been associated with improvement of mitochondria function and the enhanced cellular metabolism.
Boom!
Metabolic availability in your cells available through these NMN precursor, improving NAD production. Another compound often discussed in the context is resveratrol. If you drink wine, they tell you wine is very healthy. But at the end of the day, wine, as green tea, is having one of the most common ingredients in it.
Resveratrol.
This is the antioxidant which you're drinking while drinking wine or green tea. But wine is having also alcohol in it. So it is really questionable to say that wine is so much healthier. It is healthy only because of resveratrol. Resveratrol is a natural polyphenol found in plants and particularly in the skin, on the skin of the grape. And wine is produced from grapes. It has been studied for its potential influence on sirtuins, a group of proteins within your body that helps regulate cellular stress response, metabolism, and pathways connected to aging. In experimental models, resveratrol appears to activate some of these biological pathways that are linked to cell protection and mitochondria health.
Mitochondria health.
Because of that, NMN and resveratrol combined are often discussed together. NMN may support NAD production, while resveratrol combined may influence cellular signaling pathways, so related to longevity and metabolic
resilience.
Both combined are creating a powerful supplement, not for your body only, but for your cells. However, it is important to remain scientifically honest, really honest. Many of the most striking results have been observed in the laboratory and animal studies, and human research is still developing NMN and resveratrol. This means these compounds should not be viewed as a way to stop aging. But they highlight something very important about how the body works. Mitochondria respond not only to nutrients and supplements. They respond primarily to signals from your lifestyle. If you work, if you train, if you move. movement and physical activity, breathing patterns and oxygen use, exposure to cold and heat,
sauna,
sleep quality, and metabolic stress from practices like intermittent fasting, while not eating for a certain time of the day. All of these signals help train the mitochondria to work more efficiently. So the lifestyle which you have and the sessions for the nervous system which you do makes total sense, more than only taking supplements like NMN and resveratrol. Supplements may help,
be supportive,
they may be supportive, but the foundation of cellular health in your gut, in your body, is always the environment you create for your cells every single
day.
Your mitochondria listen not only to what you take, they also listen to your life and how you consciously take all the life itself. So awareness is key. This was Habit Code, and I encourage you to do all the necessary conscious awareness steps which will improve your mitochondria. And above of that, if you are willing to pay, to buy, you can find NMN resveratrol everywhere. I would not go for NAD because it is very expensive. I'm not sure if it's working properly. I will make studies on it and a movie about it. But as for now, the precursor of NAD is NMN, which is working because it was proven in laboratory studies. All the best. Christ King. Amen.